Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video I am going to be doing a super exciting Brandon Blackwood unboxing. So if you guys want to see what new bag I just recently got and also what fits in it, then just keep watching. So if you guys do not know, Brandon Blackwood is a black owned designer. I want to say his first bag was created in about 2015, but within the last 2 or 3 years people have been jumping on the bandwagon and purchasing from him, and I am here for it. So this is actually my second Brandon Blackwood purchase. The first one I have is a trunk that I got maybe 2 Christmases ago. It was before he redid them, and now the trunks come with the B on the front, so I have a older version of it, but I still love it nonetheless. So my mom actually purchased this bag for me for Mother's Day, so this is an early Mother's Day gift. I told her she can have it back and wrap it up if she wants to, but I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys because I'm so excited. The bag that I purchased is the Quincy bag, and this bag retails for about, I think, $200, so it doesn't break the bank at all, and you are supporting a black owned company, so I mean, come on, why not? I definitely told myself this year I wanted to purchase a few more items from black owned brands. There are a couple more on my radar, but Brandon Blackwood just doesn't seem to disappoint, and again, his price points are amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So this is from the new 2023 spring release, if I'm not mistaken. When you open the box, I love that his boxes now come with this foam insert so that the bag sits properly and isn't like moving around in here, so I absolutely love that. And as you can see, this is definitely a mini bag, which is what I was looking for. Alright, so inside of here is a little card. Inside of here is the receipt for your purchase, and also it is a little thank you card from him, and I love that this is a nice little touch. It is handwritten, so that is sweet. But you guys are here. So before we get into the bag, I do want to say that I absolutely love his dust bags. I love that they have a pull string. The only thing I would change is that I wish they were actually like black or something like that instead of white, because white gets so dirty so fast. Like, I just opened this bag and there's like little stains on the bag. I don't really care, but you know, if it was black you wouldn't be able to see it. So I'm super excited. So I did not tell you guys what color I got, but we are going to go ahead and reveal her. So are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. So I got the cutest little Quincy bag in white. Honestly, I've been wanting a white bag since like last summer, last spring, and I have been really contemplating about purchasing the Jacquemus bag in white, but I'm not gonna lie, those bags are a little bit more pricey, and also I just wasn't sure how I was going to feel about a white bag. I did purchase a Gucci bag earlier last year that was supposed to be white, but when I got it and I received it, I just didn't like the color. It had like some little gray undertone in it, and it wasn't white. I was looking for a white bag. So I thought this was perfect because this is definitely white. So this price point is amazing. This bag only retails for $200, so you absolutely cannot beat that. So as you can see, she still has everything on. I have not touched anything. It still has the little plastic here and the paper here. So I am going to go ahead and cut this off so that we can open her up a little bit, because I'm not going to be sitting her back. I love her. She's adorable. And so this is what the strap looks like. And so I actually love this strap because it's like, you can, I don't know, it's just something about this strap I just love. And you can use it at the crook of your arm, or you can hold it at top handle, which is what I am going to actually be doing. But I love her already, so I am going to open her up. So she does have a magnetic closure, as you can see, and it's pretty sturdy magnetic closure. Now this is a mini bag. I absolutely love mini bags. When I am not with my kids, a mini bag is for me. especially when I'm going out. I got this because I thought this would be the perfect spring summer bag for like brunch or just going out to lunch or dinner or anything like that. So this is the paper that it comes with. It also comes with the little silica, and I will stuff this back when I am not using it. Inside, I don't know if you can see that, but actual bag, it says brand Blackwood, New York. So we love that. And she's definitely a moment, and I love her. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and clip this off of here, because that's just, I don't need that. So yeah, this is what she looks like. So this bag actually has silver hardware on here. So as you can see, it is silver hardware. I am a silver girl. I will wear silver before gold any day. It's just what I prefer as of right now. So I really wanted a white bag that had some silver in it, if it had any type of metal on it. So I love this. I'm actually going to add a few things in here and show you what will fit. Again, I love this strap. You can just pull it back like that and open it up and put your things in here. So the bag that I carry kind of like on an everyday basis right now is actually my black Lululemon bag. Y'all, I fell in love with this bag. I have had it for a couple months now and I am obsessed. This is the most easy reach when you're not trying to overdo it. You have some luxury bags like Louis Vuitton and Gucci and things of that nature, but I mean, usually when I'm with my kids or I'm running to Target or just running some quick errands, this is what I go for. I have not changed this bag out since I had it, and I have had this bag for at least like 2 months now. So I use this on an everyday basis, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably going to purchase more. This is just the I think this is the smaller Lululemon. These retail for about $38. And I have so much stuff in here, so I am going to just transfer some things into here, what I would be using if I was going out or when I get ready to go out. So the first thing that I keep in my bag is usually one or two things. Right now I have them both in here, but it's usually one of the other. So this is my Louis Vuitton card holder. So in here I have about somewhere between, I have about like 9 cards in here. So in here I have my ID. I also have my firearms card in here because I am licensed to carry, honey. I have a couple of store cards on this side, like my Victoria's Secret, my Sephora. I think I have a Saks card in here. I also have my insurance card in here. I have a couple credit cards and just, you know, easy day reaches. So this is the first thing that I will carry. Now sometimes I take both of these, but usually I take one or the other. It depends on what type of bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Rosalita coin purse. I have had this for like 6 years now. I love this. It is one of my favorite SLGs. It was one of my first, and I got it hot stamped, so I love this. Inside of here is just a bunch of credit cards. Sometimes I stuff cash in here or some change in this little front zipper part, but either one of these would be going along with me. More than likely it would be the Louis Vuitton card case, so I'm gonna just sit that right there. So obviously this fits in here with no problem. Something else that I keep sometimes is a little bit of cash, so I'll put that in here. I always have a lip gloss in my purse. This right now is the Bath and Body Works Pineapple Prosecco, so I'll put that in there. And this is just for the moments when I don't have lipstick on or I just want to moisturize my lips. I usually also keep this little card holder in here. This is a super old Sephora card holder. In here, this usually has my Bath and Body Works coupons in here. It also has like some random food gift cards in here. I have a Sephora gift card in here. I have an Ulta gift card in here. Taco Bell, just random little gift cards or thingies that I just don't put in my wallet, so this will also go in here. I have a lotion. I am always going to keep a lotion in my bag. Right now I'm using Mary Cookie from Bath and Body Works. I will also have some sort of hand sanitizer in here. So this is one that I had on one of my other bags. This is the Bath and Body Works Isla Margarita. Now on this particular bag, I just have my hand sanitizer like holder, but on this little bag, it's just so cute that I'm not going to put that on here. So I'm just going to stick her in here. I will have my fragrance of the day, which today is the Bath and Body Works Fall in Bloom, and if you don't know, it's a dupe for Burberry Her. So I have that on today, so I'm going to put her in here. Also, I usually, when I go out, I will wear my lip, whatever it is. So today's lip is this Jacqueline Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and I'm in it. I also have this little Fenty, what is this, lip gloss in confetti. This is the Gloss Bomb. I have that on top of there. I would also take some sort of tweezers. I don't know where my other tweezers are. I don't usually take these, but just so you know, tweezers and lash glue, because you never know with these lashes, they be all over the place. And also I take some sort of mirror. So this is a little Eau de Juice mirror that came in something, so I'll pop that in here. Another thing I will keep in here is usually a couple of panty liners, so I will put that in here. I also keep some wipes. These are feminine wipes. Keep a couple extra pieces of gum, and this is just the extra gum. I don't like to keep the whole pack because I usually buy the big pack. And then I would usually keep my little powder puff to blot my skin, but I have no idea where that is. So usually I don't have keys. I don't really drive, so I'm usually never the driver, so that is somebody else's responsibility. It's either my best friend or my husband. And as far as my phone, I never keep my phone in my purse. I always just keep it in my hand. It's probably a bad habit, but I just don't like keeping my phone in my purse. But if I wanted to fit my phone in here, I'm sure I could squeeze it in here. But this is the bag. This is it, completely packed and stuffed. Now as you can see, it still has a tight grip. It is not expanded too far, so all of that fits so easily in this little bitty bag with a little bit of room to spare. And this is just perfect. This bag is so perfect. I cannot wait to pull her out and wear her. I won't be wearing her anytime soon. I think the first outing that I'll be wearing her to is around my husband's birthday, which is in mid-May. So that's probably when I plan on pulling her out, because I think I'm wearing a black and white, so I thought this would be perfect for that. Also, my best friend's birthday is at the end of the month, so I'll probably be pulling her out for that too. But I love this bag so much so that I would consider purchasing this bag again in a different color. They do have this really beautiful hot pink that I have been looking at, but I love this bag. This bag is perfect. Like, he really did something special with these bags. The quality of these bags are really, really nice. The stitching is perfect. Like, everything looks exceptional. So I am here for it. So if you guys have not already checked out Brandon Blackwood, check out some of his bags. They are beautiful, and they are definitely the it bag right now. And I love watching Brandon Blackwood unboxing. I was just watching ChiChi here on YouTube. She unboxed a bag recently from him, and she was one of the first people that I seen that made me really want to dive into his bags. And so I'm glad I did, and I'm giving another brand a try other than like Louis Vuitton or Gucci or, you know, things of that nature. So yeah guys, this is the cutie. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.